Hello and welcome to our short webinar on resubmissions. The work that you've completed for your BTEC Level 2 TPD qualification has now been assessed. You will have received your unit feedback as an email with a PDF attachment or a printed letter using a similar template to this. Your personal details will be at the top, followed by the unit details, and then a breakdown of the tasks and activities that you've completed with appropriate and personalised feedback from the assessor underneath. If you've not achieved one or more tasks, then you will be allocated a resubmission, and this short webinar will firstly provide you with some key information and then guide you through step by step as to what you need to do next. As a learner, you are allowed 2 submissions per task. This would be your first submission, and then 1 resubmission. So please do take your time to complete your work, reading the feedback, the task, and your resubmitted answers carefully. You have 28 days from the date of your feedback to complete this resubmission. And if you need an extension to that deadline, then please do contact us. Once your work has been received by us, it will be assessed, and then you'll be given your final unit feedback within 28 days. If you chose paper workbook as your original submission method, then along with your printed feedback, you will also receive a new and personalised blank paper workbook for the specific unit. Once you've read your feedback carefully, revisit your learning guide or any other notes that you made during the teaching and learning process. And then, when you're ready to, you can rewrite any tasks or part of tasks that you need to. Once you've signed the learner declaration on the front of your new workbook, then you can submit that as you did originally, posting it directly to our office or via your unit's VQO. If you chose ebook as your original submission method, then along with your electronic feedback, you will also receive a new and personalised blank ebook for the unit. You should read the feedback carefully, revisit the learning guide or any other notes that you made during the teaching and learning process. And then when you're ready to, you can complete any tasks or parts of tasks that you need to in your ebook. You can then submit your ebook as you did originally, using the ebook upload option within Moodle. You will complete the necessary electronic learner declaration when you do upload your ebook. If you chose Moodle as your submission method, then you'll receive your feedback and it will be split up into tasks. You may also find reference to questions within your feedback, because if you remember when you completed your assessments, then each task had a number of questions to it. Once you've read your feedback carefully, log into your Moodle account, selecting TPD Level 2 2021, and select the unit that you wish to address, for example, Unit 2. You'll be taken to the unit homepage, and it won't look any different from when you completed your work initially, in that each task and activity will still all be ticked. From this point, you will have access to the teaching and learning materials, the interactive learning packages, which you are more than welcome to go through again, and the complete learning guide, which is also stored here. Click on the task that you wish to revisit, and you will see a summary of your first attempt. And these details include when you completed it, the grade you have received, in this case 3 out of 4, and you will also have the option to review, so look back at your original answers. When you're ready, click on Reattempt Quiz, and this will activate your second and final attempt, giving you a new blank quiz. Revisit the questions that you need to using the quiz navigation box here. And then, having done that, you can press Finish Attempt. When you've pressed finish attempt, a summary screen will then appear with answers saved, or if you only reattempted a few of the questions following the feedback given, you will see not yet answered. If you're happy with this and the final submission, then press submit all and finish. You need to press submit all and finish again, and then finish review. And then you will have a new final summary screen that tells you that your resubmission has been completed and not yet graded. You should do the same process for any other units resubmissions. And it's at this point, behind the scenes, your newly completed work will be allocated to an assessor. And if you've gained full marks across the 2 attempts, so in this case, 4 out of 4, the task will be achieved. And you'll receive confirmation of new grades after 28 days. I hope this short webinar has been useful and you now feel confident to complete any resubmissions that you have outstanding. Good luck.